Hello, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Sangeeta Pandey. I'm the campus director of JD Institute, Andheri, Mumbai. I'm an entrepreneur, educationist, and a passionate mentor in the field of design and management. We have created a platform where we are having a bridge between the creativity and real world business understanding. I believe education should not restrict it only towards textbook. It should also create a platform for the student where they can get inspiration, challenge themselves, and also build themselves to their potential for the real world. So we have a platform where they are going to discover themselves as an individual and also as a professional. I've always been a very inspiring person, and I get inspired by the people looking around. I always started my journey with my dad when I was very, very young, and he inspired me to be an independent and also to understand and learn the world around you. So education, why? Because I have always had inclination to learn more and more, to have a knowledge and use that knowledge for the society. And I thought this would be the best platform where I can indulge and also, share my knowledge and my potential wherever it's possible. So being into education industry, that's something I'm blessed with, and I would love to do it forever. So JD Institute has always been the core into fashion designing and interior designing. Getting into a BDS in visual communication, VFX animation, product design, this is a very great opportunity for the student where they can build themselves not only into a very traditional mode of designing, but they can transform themselves from a traditional to professional skills, which is a need of a time. And also it is something where they have to skill up and upgrade themselves. They have to learn lots of new development innovations happening in the industry. And here JD is playing a very, very important role in their future, in their career, because product designing, visual communication is something where they have to be a part of, and they have to learn just apart from fashion designing and interior designing. These courses are not only going to shape their the career, but also make them understand how the world is transforming into a very professional mode of designing and also getting into an AI. So when we are talking about visual communication, when we are talking about product designing, VFX animation, we are also including lots of AI features, AI factors into learning, and I'm sure student is going to get benefit out of it. So when I'm saying JD Institute, Andheri, Mumbai, this is not an campus college. This is called boutique. When I'm saying boutique, it is something which is created with lots of love, with the intention of creating a very friendly and very warm environment for the student, where they feel like home. They feel like having a place where they can sit, learn, have a wonderful time with their peers, with faculties. This is not a place where it's only about teaching. This is a place where they also connect with the friends, with their faculties, with their mentors, with their guide. And they have also a time and opportunity to be into this particular system where it has been created for a handful of students with lots of the focus is here to be one-on-one with the student. And that's why I do not call this center as the institute or campus. I call it as love, with a boutique which is made up of love and compassion. JD Institute Andheri, the student, we are learner, and I believe we all are learner in some of the way. These students are one of the the future of our country. We are shaping them in a right way. They are getting lots of knowledge, mentoring from our faculty, the faculty we have at our center. They look forward to come to the center because here it is not about crowd, it is not about competitions, it is about coming together and learning and also being a part of the the college environment, assignments, whatever it would be. They are together as in a team. They grow every day, and they look forward to be a part of it. Being into education industry from past 3 decades, I believe that nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself. So if you believe to be a right candidate for the right campus and for the right institute, JD Institute of Fashion Technology is open for you all at Andheri. I welcome you all with my warm, heartfelt gratitude. Please be here, visit, have a feel of this campus. You can get a counseling and also a career profiling from me and from my faculty. And of course, you're here to learn and grow. Thank you. The original in design education.